Yes, hello everyone. For today's video, I will be teaching you how to change your Google payment account or how you can send a money through Philippine peso. So your Google account is registered from your previous country where you are residing. For example, I am now in Singapore and I'm going back to the Philippines. So now I will be need in a Philippine peso. So I don't need anymore a Singapore dollar. So for example, we're going to send the stars to our Facebook friends, and the account I registered is Singapore. So now in our Philippines, of course, I will be going to send a Philippine peso, but how it looks like. Oh, yun, nakasend po ako ng stars. So now, this time, if you don't want to use Singapore dollars for these Facebook friends, this is how you're gonna change it. Go to your settings and find your Google account. So here below, Google settings, yes, or phone settings. Click the Google account and manage your Google account. So here, just scroll home, personal info, data, security, and you can select the payment and subscriptions. Or if you want to change it, just click and just delete it. There's remove payment or remove payment method in every registered account that you've registered before. So that is how simple you change your Google account. So if you currently in the Philippines, register the a Philippine bank into your Google account, current Google account.